This video shows you how to install the staple finisher into your printer. Depending on the model, the appearance of your printer may vary. Turn off the printer. Open the front door, and then turn off the power switch. Unplug the power cord from the electrical outlet, and then from the printer. Open the box. Remove the staple cartridge holder and the staple finisher. Unpack the staple finisher. Do not throw away the information sheet. Continue removing the packing material from the finisher. Position the finisher to its side. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the screws. Adjust, and then align the bracket to the inner slots. Install the screws. Open the front door of the printer, and then remove the standard bin side cover. Remove the paper bale. Remove the standard bin. Insert the stapler finisher. Close the front door. Secure the finisher to the printer. Connect the finisher cable to the printer. Attach the connector cover. Connect one end of the power cord to the printer. To avoid the risk of fire or electrical shock, connect the other end of the power cord to an appropriately rated and properly grounded electrical outlet. Open the front door, and then turn on the power switch. If the display is blank, then press the power button on the control panel. Open the finisher door, and then insert the staple cartridge holder.